Hi! In this video, I'll teach you how to say hi in Russian. So hi is pretty international word, so you can even use it in Russia if you want to. A lot of people would understand, especially young people, but make sure you use your thick Russian accent to make it easier for Russians. So don't just say hi, but say hi. Hi. In case you want to learn some real Russian, I'll teach you 5 ways of saying hi or hello in Russian. So the first one is the easiest one, I think. This is like hi, which you would say to your friends, to other young people in a very informal situation. This word is привет. 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 Say it with me. Привет. 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 Easy, right? As for other people, how about older people and some formal settings? So whenever you go to the coffee shop or a shop to buy groceries or clothes, or you want to buy a ticket for your train or the plane, it doesn't matter. You need to address these people you meet there formally. And if you just say привет to them, they might get offended. So please don't make a bad impression and use this other word, which is здраствуйте. Здравствуйте. I know, it may sound a little bit hard, but let's say it out loud slowly. Здраствуйте. Здравствуйте. 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 Okay, say it with me. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Okay, so with practice, I'm sure you'll get it. So this is the word that should come to your mind first thing. It's always better to start with здравствуйте and then switch to привет when you get when you get to know the person a little bit better. So, let me quiz you here. What would you say to your friend Andrei when you see him walking in the street? Привет, Андрей! Yep, you should say привет because he's your friend. What about the lady who sells tickets for the bus, for the metro? What would you say to her? Здравствуйте. Yep, that's a good one. Здравствуйте literally means I wish you good health, like be healthy. It isn't a bad word to say. So, how about other words you can use to greet a Russian person? There are 3 of them, and they all depend on the time of the day you meet the person. So, good morning will be доб-ра-ye утро. Доб-ра-ye утро. Доброе means good or kind, and утро is morning. Repeat with me, please. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Okay, good afternoon is добрый день. Добрый день. Добрый день. And good evening. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Okay, so look at the picture and tell me and greet me appropriately in Russian. Добрый день. Okay, another one. Доброе утро. Добрый вечер. Okay, that's it. Now you know how to start your first contact with Russian. If you want to learn some other phrases and continue this conversation with a Russian person, check out other videos on the channel.